Hello, this is Siri Bytes. This is my sixth video recording in AWS series. Uh, in this video, I'm just trying to show you using Putty. I'm connecting to my Bastion host, that is right here, and from Bastion host, I want to connect to the private instance through SSH. Okay, so those details I'm trying to give you here. This is my public IP address for the Bastion host. Once I stop this public Bastion host, both are running state. Once I stop this Bastion host, this public IP address will be gone. And every time you start, the new IP address. But if you don't want your IP address to change, want your IP address to change, then you need to you need to give a static IP, elastic IP. Sorry, I mean elastic IP. Okay. So once you assign elastic IP, then the IP address doesn't change. But I'm not doing that because every time because I'm trying to use most of the free tier. So if I assign elastic IP, there will be a charge. So that's the reason I'm not doing. So okay, let me open. Okay. Here is it to user rate of 18.117.162.24. Okay, and I want to keep it connection live, so it will send a 0 packet for every 30 seconds. So that's what I want to do. And because I'm using a Putty, I have to give it .ppk. Okay, that's the key pair. And once I press OK, it will connect. Once I'm inside my Bastion host, I will show you the details too. Okay, all right, I'm inside my system. This is Bastion host. Let me do, I did just masked the username, the prompt, because in there my private IP will be shown. I don't want to show my private IP, so that's the reason I masked it. So alright, I think I'm fine here. Okay, got it. So today is January 5th and time is 10:07.04. Okay. Alright, now I had this, so LA. So here in SSH, my EC2 key pairs are stored, and from here I want to connect to EC2 instance. Okay, so and also I want to show you this. Okay, I said I am allowing ping from my local system, right? This is my PyCharm in local. Okay. I installed it in my local machine. Okay, and I want to ping There you go. Got it. Okay. So the ping is allowed. Okay. From my local PC. Okay. So now I just want to show you that, and here from here from here I want to connect to the private instance, right? So here is that we need to know some of the details. Okay, are okay, because I'm using Putty from my local system to connect to AWS EC2 instance in public subnet. The PPK is allowed, but um, if you are connecting from Linux to another Linux instance in the network, so then you need a .pem. So, but I do have only .ppk. So what I did is I converted .ppk using SSH-keygen. Okay, right here. So I converted that into .pem, and I had to upload this into my EC2 public Bastion host. Why? Because it needs to it from there. I'm using this key, right, and to connect to private instance. So okay, from FileZilla I connected to EC2 instance, okay, Bastion host, and transferred the PM file from there to here, whatever I'm showing on the screen. So that's why you can see, that's the reason why that file is right here. Okay, so what I did is using this Putty generator and conversion OpenSSH. Once I load, I did use the export to OpenSSH and saved as .pem. Okay, so that's what I did. And using FileZilla, so yeah, I removed this. So once you say no more of the previous pen, I'm saying okay. Okay, file transfer. So I just want to see. There you go. It is here. So using that, I have to change some permissions for NLEC2 used pro.pem. So mod 600. Now, okay. If you check it one more time. Now before it was, now it was only read and write by the user. Okay, got it. Now, so I have to SSH EC2 user okay, I connected using the key pair right here. Okay, SSH used the same key pair, and I entered the key phrase, so it entered here for my private instance. See, okay, so this one I'm talking about, NL private instance. That's the one I did use this, and I forgot, as I said before, I forgot the passphrase. If you forgot the passphrase for any key pair, it's useless. You better not have a passphrase. But if you forgot, you need to recreate the .pem you need to change the permissions, change mode to either read write, either read write or either only to read. Okay, 400 or 600. Okay. Okay, I did logged out and it came back to my Bastion host. Now you have that keypad in here. So in the next video I'm going to show you a simple website that I created and using the DNS, public DNS hostname. This is Siri Bytes. Please join me in the next video.